Holy fire. Our Father, Almighty One, I will sing your praises to the ends of time. All nations, the world is